Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A couple of architects transformed their former student accommodation. The duo Antonius Schimmelbusch returned to their old Berlin apartment, transforming it into a small, modern and functional space for adults. Gone are the austere spaces and the miscellaneous furniture inherited from the last 3 generations of residents. In their former 53 square meter student accommodation in Berlin-Charlottenburg, the 2 interior designers from the Antonius Schimmelbusch agency have designed for themselves a bright, colorful, and entirely custom-made pied-à-terre, ideal for their family weekends.